Kynhun Myntri ha ka arp kandai tarik unai wing ja arpuar kala Pdiang bat minjur ya ka Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy 2022 kajing minjur jong kajala ya kani ka an kala pelong ka Meghalaya ka balai ha kri India bat ka beningkong ha ka than stela mingi bandan ya kum kani ka jaj policy ya kani ka policy la pen khre mentala jan chisnem ringkat ka jetre lang bat ka jinga merjing mut bat ki start ka koi ka khia kinong penya nyam Kidong sumarkin bat, ki jaka pule, kinong tre sarkar, ki sengbhalang bat kiwei.
This, of course, is a very important policy and a subject which has been not given the kind of importance in the past that it should. And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected, and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy. And I'm sure that this particular policy will ensure that the proper attention that should be given to mental health, especially when it comes to young children, adolescent, teenagers. And of course, this is a subject that is very vast and covers different aspects of individuals' lives and different aspects that lead to issues concerning mental health. So the policy was approved today by the cabinet. Second was the amendment of the Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme 2019. This is basically victims, meaning women or girl child or male child who has suffered loss or injury caused by reasons of the act or omission due to sexual harassment. And there were certain amendments to be made as per the national policy in terms of different aspects to be added to it, and different levels of compensation was increased. So those were approved as per the national average and the national policy.